So, amber small talk. So to start out, this is, so kind of the way that, to go over kind of some of the architecture, this is just the cloned amber Git repository. I'm going to show you. This is the HTML page that we're going to pull up. And Amber comes with its own simple just web server that basically just starts up a static web server. That just starts up a static web server in the current directory. So once we get that going, we can pull it up in Chromium or browser. So this is the current basic Amber IDE. One of the big improvements that's been going on is a new IDE that's called Helios. But one of the things that we can do, so in this workspace, well, I guess this page got loaded up, and then with this call at the bottom, so this load Amber, that's what actually goes in, and that bootstraps kind of your image within this browser. Then within this workspace, we can perform JavaScript, but with Smalltalk kind of syntax. So we can do window alert hi, and then we can do it, and there we get our alert. So this current IDE is built, I mean, it is embedded within the web page. One of the cool things about the Helios IDE is we can do window pop-up Helios, which then loads this as another window, which is nice because then you can make use of your window manager. But so for now we can we're going to get rid of this one. I'll just talk real loud. Can people hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, then I don't have to type one-handed. So this is then an IDE. We will open a workspace that operates. So here we can do window alert hi and do it. And everything gets evaluated in the context of the parent window, which is quite nice. This lets you have multiple windows, so you can have a workspace open, a couple class browsers that are all separate from the window that you're, the page that you're developing. Another great thing about the Helios IDE is it's very keyboard kind of centric. So you can do control, actually let's see. So you can do control space. Here's if you want to see the commands I'm hitting. So control space, open, let's focus this. Open a browser. You could do, actually, so it's got a lot of the search. Curious, what are some things that that you guys would like to see in this kind of environment? Like again, showing this to small talkers is very different than showing it to anyone else.
You need to do references?
References, yeah. So let's do, so we could find a reference of rendered toolbar on. And so we can see so that, yeah, there's a reference search you can do. Actually, let's see, I'm going to move this up so people in the back can see. So you can see, I mean, there's your list of commands that you can do. It allows you to even, I mean, so to do some of your organization, moving methods, removing protocols, copying classes, it allows you to commit your code. Currently, I mean, I guess one of the, so Amber, the way that it works is currently you can do, so you do all of your development within the browser. When you're done, currently Amber code is stored on the package level. So we could come in, create a new foo class, store it in a foo package, and then save that, and then we've got foo, and then so we can, so control space and K will commit that class, which I didn't see the before. There we go. So, the image kind of gets rebuilt currently every time you load the page. So now if we were, so we created that package, but if we were to close this down and then refresh this page, I mean, even in here, we don't have the foo package, but so we could just, we can say, so package load foo, and then here's our foo package. So currently, that's kind of the way the code, I mean, the storage works. I'm working on, we used to have the ability to store code, save code to the local storage, and I'm currently actually working on, I'd love to, I mean, hack on it with anyone that wants tonight, but working on the ability to, HTML5 has a file system.